In this video, we're going to learn how to make up numbers. So this is a concept that is not taught in the high school, but it is actually throughout the SAT, and it's a pretty common question. And so with this, we literally just have to make up numbers to figure out which one is the right answer. So what is the key to making up numbers? I like to use two rules. The first one is when I make up a number, I like to create numbers that are small, like 2 or 3 or 4, so that I can do it in my head really quickly and really easily. And then there's some questions that I will ask. If the question asks all the answers except blank, then use weird numbers like negatives, zeros, and ones. And we're going to look at both these concepts in the next three examples. So let's look at this first example. So it says a divided by b equals 2. So from here, I'm just going to make up a number. And I'm going to make a equals 4. I'm going to make b equals 2. Because 4 divided by 2 equals 2, so I know that works. So I'm going to plug it in to this formula over here. So it's going to look like 4 times 2 divided by 4, and that'll be 8 divided by 4, which equals 2. And I know C is going to be my answer. So the trick to this is making numbers that are small so that you can plug it into the formula. Let's look at the second example. So with the second example, I want to make numbers that are strange because it says which the y is always greater than or equal to -1. I could try like a 2 out just to show you guys. So if I put a 2 into here, right? 2 minus 2 equals 0. 2 squared minus 2 is going to be, 2. So obviously making normal numbers isn't a good idea. I want to make strange numbers. So I'm going to try to make x equals 0. So 0 minus 2 is -2, and that's not greater or equal to -1. So I can eliminate this. And if I plug in 0 into here, 0 minus 2 is -2. That's not greater than -1. If I plug 0 into here, 0 minus 2 is -2. -2 squared is going to be 4. So that could work. Let's try out D. So 0 cubed is 0, minus 2 is -2, and that doesn't work. So the only answer is C. So with these strange ones, I like to use negative numbers, zeros, or 1 because they have very strange and unique properties. All right, let's look at this example. So let's make up a number. So I'm going to make A equal to 1. I'm going to make B equal to 4. So if I'm going to plug it in to check if it's right, at least for this first part, right, is 2 times 1 is going to be 2. And then B is 4. So 2/4 is the same thing as 1/2. So I know A and B works. So now I'm just going to have to plug this into there and then this into there. So from there, it's going to be 4 divided by 1, which is 4. So I know the answer is going to be D.